Welcome, young explorers, to another amazing adventure with Funimation 3D kids and family cartoon. Today, we're going on a thrilling journey to a place that's red, cold, and full of mysteries. The incredible planet Mars. Mars is often called the red planet, but what makes it so special? Why is it red? Why is it so cold? And what's going on with all those dust storms? Well, we're about to find out. So buckle up and get ready for an exciting adventure to learn all about Mars. Let's start with the red color of Mars. Have you ever looked up at the night sky and seen a bright, reddish dot? That's Mars, and it's red because its surface is covered with a special kind of dust. This dust is full of iron, the same stuff that makes up metal. Over time, the iron in the dust has rusted, just like how metal can get rusty if it gets wet. This gives Mars its red, rusty color, making it stand out from all the other planets. So when you see Mars in the sky, you're looking at a planet covered in rusty iron dust that makes it glow with that red shine. But don't let that red color fool you. Mars is a wild and mysterious place. One of the most exciting things about Mars is its dust storms. These storms are like giant hurricanes, but instead of wind and rain, they're full of dust. Imagine a storm so big that it can cover the entire planet, making Mars look like a giant orange cloud. These dust storms can last for days, weeks, or even months. Sometimes, the dust storms are so strong that they can make it hard for scientists to see the surface of Mars. They're so powerful that they can even change the weather on the planet. But that's not the only reason Mars is so special. Did you know that Mars has a very thin atmosphere? An atmosphere is like the blanket around a planet, keeping the air in and the weather just right. But Mars's atmosphere is very thin, like a balloon that doesn't have enough air inside it. This means that Mars can't hold on to warm air, and it doesn't have enough air for people to breathe. If you tried to breathe on Mars, you'd find it super difficult because there's barely any oxygen. But don't worry, astronauts would wear special spacesuits with oxygen so they can explore safely. Now, here's a crazy fact. Mars is really, really cold. Even though it's not the coldest planet in the solar system, it's still freezing. Imagine being outside on a super cold winter day. Well, Mars is even colder than that. The temperature on Mars can drop to 195 degrees, 125 degrees, way colder than the coldest day on Earth. Imagine if you left your favorite ice cream outside on Mars for just a minute. It would freeze instantly. That's how cold it is on the red planet. But even with all that cold, Mars still has some very cool features to explore, and it has something else that makes it stand out. Volcanoes. Did you know that Mars has some of the biggest volcanoes in the entire solar system? These volcanoes are huge. One of the most famous volcanoes on Mars is called Olympus Mons, and it's so tall that it's like having a mountain that's 3 times the height of Mount Everest, the tallest mountain on Earth. Imagine a mountain so tall that it could reach above the clouds on Earth. That's how massive Olympus Mons is. Even though it's been a long time since the last eruption, scientists think these volcanoes were once active and might still have some lava deep inside. What would it be like to stand at the base of one of these giant volcanoes? It would be like looking up at a mountain that's so tall it seems to touch the sky. Now, here's something super exciting. To explore Mars and learn more about this incredible planet, scientists have sent robot rovers to roam across its surface. Rovers are like space robots that drive around Mars and take pictures, test the soil, and send back amazing information to Earth. 2 famous rovers you might have heard of are Curiosity and Perseverance. These robots are like little explorers, traveling across the dusty surface of Mars, studying everything they can. They've even found ancient signs of water on Mars, which has scientists wondering if Mars might have supported life in the past. Can you imagine what it would be like to be the first human to set foot on Mars? Well, scientists are dreaming of a future when humans can actually visit Mars, just like the astronauts who went to the moon. There's so much to learn on Mars, and who knows, maybe one day you'll be one of the astronauts who gets to explore this mysterious planet up close. So, let's think about everything we've learned about Mars today. Mars is the red planet, full of dust storms, giant volcanoes, and extreme cold. Its surface is covered in rusty iron dust, making it look red from far away. It's a cold place where the atmosphere is thin, and you can't breathe without a spacesuit. But even with all these challenges, Mars is still one of the most exciting planets to explore. It has robot rovers that are learning all about its surface, and scientists dream of one day sending humans to visit. Mars might be far away, but it's still a part of our solar system, and who knows what other amazing discoveries we'll make in the future. The Moon might be our neighbor in space, but Mars is like a distant cousin, waiting for us to learn all its secrets. Thanks for joining me on this exciting Red Planet adventure. If you had fun learning about Mars and all its cool features, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Funimation 3D Kids and Family Cartoon for more exciting space journeys. Keep dreaming big, and who knows, maybe you'll be the one to explore Mars someday.